The Tortoise and the Bird. A tortoise was resting under a tree. On this tree, a bird had built its nest. The tortoise mocked the bird for having a home built with broken twigs, which it had to build itself. He bragged about his own shell and said the bird must be jealous. The bird told the tortoise that its nest might be shabby, but it had space for its friends and family. At the same time, the tortoise's shell could never accommodate anyone else except the tortoise himself. Moral: a crowded hut is better than a lonely mansion.